the mountains, won't you please? Let me walk the Blue Ridge, let me count a million trees. Houston ain't no place to die, and I'd be satisfied if I could walk a little closer to the sky. In the mountains, won't you please? Well, a pardon from a VA ward just ain't so easy won, but a good old friend and doctor there said it could be done. And in a little while we were rolling our way underneath that Texas sun, and we both knew in a day or two his race would be run. Well, he'd talk a while and he'd sleep a while, and I'd roll with all I had. Right outside Atlanta, though, he got